Hello everyone and welcome back to Jacklit Educational Channel. So this video is all about the ARS, that is Agriculture Research Service, and ARS net preparation strategy which is conducted under the ASRB. So the exam pattern, syllabus, strategy, everything will be discussed in this video. So without much delay, let's get started. So if you have applied for the ARS or ARS net, then we have to give a single exam. Yes, the combined exam will be conducted as it is mentioned. It will be a combined exam for the year 2021 and also for the ARS preliminary. So after, if you are qualifying this stage, then you will be going for the mains and interview part if you are applying for ARS. Otherwise, if you have only applied for the ARS net, then this is only the particular exam. So here we will know that what is the pattern of exam. So the pattern will be, there will be one paper which will be of 150 marks total, which will be of 150 objective type. That means 1 mark for each question, and the time will be given will be 2 hours. So each question 1 mark, and there will be 1/3 mark deducted for every wrong answer. So negative marking यहाँ पे है, इसको आपको ध्यान में रखना है. It is not like UGC-NET examinations marking scheme, because UGC-NET में negative marking नहीं होता है, but here in ARS-NET there is negative marking. So what you have to do? Tip number 1 is you should focus on accuracy more than the number of attempt. So जितने भी questions आप attempt करेंगे, make sure that you have accuracy in that you have sure that this is the correct option. And then coming to the qualifying marks, for unreserved category and EWS, the qualifying minimum marks will be, for NET it will be 50%, and for OBC it is similarly 45%, and for SC, ST and PWBD it is 40%. So this is the minimum qualifying marks, and the cutoff can go also beyond that. So this is the minimum one. Now we will see that what will be the standard of the question paper. तो question paper तो एक ही होगा if you are applying for ARS or if you are applying for NET or if you are applying for the STO also. So in the environmental science we will be talking in this video further, but you should know the standard of the paper will be that of the master's degree of an Indian university. So the PG or master's syllabus, that quality, that standard will be the question paper of this preliminary exam or ARS NET exam. So this is clear. This will not be that much tough. It will be similarly of MSc kind or master's degree kind. Now we will know that how to prepare for this examination. So here more than 80% students, those who are appearing for this exam, they will be definitely preparing for the UGC-NET environmental science exam, or they have already given the UGC-NET environmental science exam. So here it will be a plus point for those, because more than 90% similarity is there in the syllabus for the ARS-NET and UGC-NET. Now we will see that every time I used to say that syllabus is the main weapon. So if you download any syllabus for any entrance examination, then your starting is perfect. You can start the preparation. So for this exam also you can download the syllabus according to your subject discipline code number. The website is asrb.org.in/9-syllabus. So this is the website, and if you don't want to go to this website, I will download this and I will send it in the Telegram group for the environmental science paper. So the discipline for environmental science will come under this point, that is from 41 to 50, because the paper code is 44. Now after clicking on that, we will get the syllabus. Now we will see how 90% syllabus is same for the UGC-NET environmental science syllabus with this ARS NET and examination for ARS. So now we will see that unit wise it is also divided, and you can see 44 is the code number. Unit 1 is what? It is definition and scope of environmental science, its interrelationship with each other, the science and agriculture, origin and evolution of the earth, लिथोस्फीयर, हाइड्रोस्फीयर, बायोस्फीयर. सो कैन यू रिकलेक्ट, क्या आप देख सकते हैं कि ये जो पहला यूनिट है, दिस इज मोर और लेस similar to the first unit of UGC-NET environmental science paper. Similarly, unit 2 also basic ecological concept, habitat ecology. So if you're combining these two, we'll get all this in the unit 1 of the UGC-NET environmental science syllabus. So I'm not going to read each and every word because it will be very boring, but I will tell you what are the difference in the UGC-NET environmental science syllabus and this ARS-NET syllabus. So ARS means it is conducted by the Agriculture Institute. So obviously there will be something more for the agriculture science. So here very few things are increased here in the syllabus. For example, plant genetic resources, its exploration and collection, crop domestication, plant introduction, that means it is talking about the invasive species and all, migration and utilization of the plant introduction. So these are coming in the form of agriculture पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. सो ये सब जो है एग्रीकल्चर पार्ट है जो कि एनवायरमेंटल साइंस में स्पेसिफिकली नहीं है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस दीज आर सेम. सो दीज आर यूनिट 1, 2 and 3. 3 is for the biodiversity concepts and all. Let's move to the next slide. Next slide is coming for the pollution. Yes, pollution is also coming in the UGC-NET environmental science paper. Same things are given: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, pan, ozone, how to mitigate them, what are the responses of plant. And here also there are certain increase. I will tell you, these are agro-industrial waste, how to utilize them, their resource, their product recovery. So these are a little bit focusing more on this agricultural type and vermicomposting. So it is a bit of increase in the syllabus. Now we'll go to the unit 6, 7. Now unit 6 is very simple, UGC-NET environmental science paper, same thing coming: climate change, global warming, greenhouse effect, UV radiation. So all these are related to the UGC-NET syllabus. Now coming to the unit 7. So unit 7 जो है UGC-NET environmental science का जो energy sector है, energy part है, उसको यहाँ पे इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया है. सो एनर्जी कंजप्शन, टाइप्स ऑफ रिन्यूएबल सोर्स, यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ बायोगैस, बायोगैस एनर्जी, ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर included under the energy section. Let's move to the next slide. Next slide is unit 8, that is natural resources coming. Natural resources of India: land, soil, water, conservation, deforestation, environment and rural economy, wasteland, their characteristics and how to reclaim them. All these things are coming under the natural resources and their management. Here also disaster management is there. So next thing is, which are the increase in the syllabus, which are the additions. Addition is food resources, family welfare program, world food problem, because it is related to agriculture, so food will be there obviously. Role of information technology in the environment and human health, so this is also a new topic kind of in the syllabus. And utilization of the seaweeds, agar, alginic acid, carrageen, agarose. So all this is about also impact of green revolution on environment. So this is a bit of increase in the syllabus as compared to the UGC-NET environmental science. So lastly, the syllabus here, it is of 9 units, but in UGC-NET it is of 10 units. And last unit, it is statistical part, which is also very easy. You can go through this, and I will suggest you that don't change your preparation strategy. Whatever you are doing, preparing for the UGC-NET environmental science, then same thing you should follow. Don't deviate from the preparation strategy. Make the same things and follow the same books. And if you haven't checked this video, how to use the book, what are the strategy, important techniques, then you must go through this video. This is very important, and start preparing for this ARS NET exam according to that video. So I'll share this in the link in the I button as well as in the description. And you should attend the Telegram quiz daily, because it will also improve your knowledge and enhance your confidence. So I hope I was able to convey some of the information related to syllabus, strategy, and the similarity with the UGC-NET environmental science and ARS NET environmental science paper. So with this, we remain, and we will see you in the next videos. Till then, keep smiling. All the best for your preparation.